I decided to do the teaching degree apprenticeship because I have always wanted to be a teacher. It's something that's always been in my mind, but the opportunity hadn't come along. I was working as a TA in the school, and they advertised for an apprentice teacher. It gives me the opportunity to earn money at the same time and gain the experience that I need. At the end of the apprenticeship, I hope to gain qualified teacher status, and then moving forward, so September, I would become a newly qualified teacher and have my own class. I would say just go for it. You've got nothing to lose. It's all funded through the scheme, so you don't pay for any tuition fees. You get paid as an unqualified teacher as you're doing it. The university is supportive, so if you felt like you were struggling, you could go there, go to your school. I would just say just do it.
We found in school that there have been some massive benefits. I think probably the most important one for us is that we've been able to identify talent in school, and it's really important to us that we can provide opportunities for our staff to grow and to develop and to make the best of themselves, really. It could well be that they just can't afford to pay the course fees for themselves, and therefore may never have the opportunity to train to become a teacher. Using the apprentice scheme, the course fees are funded. It enables that member of staff to be able to have the training that they maybe couldn't have done. So this way they're still earning a salary, their course fees are paid, and they're getting a high quality of training, and we're getting some really good quality trainees. My advice to head teachers thinking about taking staff on an apprentice scheme is to particularly consider the long-term benefits. So looking beyond the initial year of training, but actually thinking about how you're growing your future staff, you're growing your future leaders, you're investing in your workforce, it impacts on staff wellbeing because they feel valued and so on.